Meet Bob. Bob is a college student majoring in marketing. He's trying to land a job in marketing. But like most college students, he's struggling with the frustration of sending hundreds of resumes and getting no responses, his lack of relevant work experience, feeling like most job websites are not built for college students, as well as how to make the most out of the limited amount of jobs posted by his school's jobs website. Sound familiar? You are not alone. Recruiters too find it difficult to connect with the best talent. They too wish there were a better way out. Well, the long wait is over. There is a better way. Introducing Tyranect, the place where college recruiters and college students connect. Tyranect is the one platform created to facilitate a smooth and easy connection between college students and recruiters in the marketplace. So now, recruiters can post jobs targeting marketing majors living in Springfield, Florida, where Bob lives. And Bob can optimize his job hunting by applying to those specific job opportunities in his town. This is how it works. Step 1, open a free account. Step 2, build your dynamic portfolio. And Step 3, connect and apply. It's that simple. With Tyranect, getting your first professional job has never been this easy. Sign up today and experience the new way of getting the most out of job hunting.